Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to read the textbook. Last class we compare living and non-living things. What are the specialities of living and non-living things? Yes, living things grow. Living things need air, water and food for living. And then living things give birth to their young ones. Then living things can move. Okay, and what about non-living things? Non-living things, no need of air, water or food, and it cannot move. And then, yes, non-living things can't give birth to their young ones. Living and non-living things. Which of these things can move on their own and why? Look at the picture. First one is a picture of a boy. So boy is a living thing and he can move. And what about balloon? Balloon also moves, right? According to the wind only. According to the wind only. It cannot move its own. And what about pen? Pen also moves, but we have to hold and move the pen. It cannot move its own. Okay, then what about cat? Cat can easily move. Cat jumps, right? Sometimes cat jump, sometimes cat walk. Okay, so cat also move its own. Okay, and next is a pigeon. Pigeon is a bird. Bird can fly and it can move its own. And next is a car. Car is a non-living thing. Car is a non-living thing. It needs support. It needs a driver. It needs a well-conditioned engine. Okay, and a person is needed to run the car or drive the car. So car cannot move its own. So a boy can move its own. A boy can move, and a cat and a bird can move their own. But balloon, pen and car need support. Balloon, pen and a car need support. Okay. So we are going to discuss why some things are moving and some things are not moving. In this chapter, we are going to discuss all these things. Okay, children? Good. We see different things around us. Things can be divided into living things and non-living things. See, we can see so many things around us. We can see trees, we can see birds, we can see fish, we can see benches, dust, stone, etc., etc. So many things we can see around us, right? But things can be divided into living things and non-living things. Human beings, animals, and plants are living things. Okay, so human beings, animals, and plants are living things. Stones, books, tables and chairs are non-living things. So living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Living things move. All living things move on their own. People move, animals move from one place to another, birds can fly, fish swim, and the leaves of mimosa plant glows when touched. In the last class, I told you to find a mimosa plant, and I think you have observed the actions. When we touch mimosa plant, close its leaves. It is quite interesting, right? The sunflower always faces the sun. Not only sunflower, all the trees, all the flowers faces towards sunlight. They can feel the presence of sunlight. They can feel the presence of sun, and they always face towards sun. That help in the in making food and all. That we will study later. Okay, so the sunflower always faces the sun. Next page. Non-living things do not move on their own. Non-living things do not move on their own. A chair cannot move from one place to the other unless someone shifts it. Living things need food and water. So what are things we discussed? First point, living things can move their own. Living things can move their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Okay, and next point, living things need food and water. Living things need not only food and water, they need air also, air to breathe. Okay, so living things need food and water. Living things need food to grow and stay alive. Living things need food to grow and stay alive. They also need water. Okay, we eat food and drink water. Animals also need food and water. Plants make their own food with the help of water, air, and sunlight. The only living thing that can make food of their own is plants. All the animals depends on plants for food, directly or indirectly. See, in the kitchen, mother cooks so many things. Mother cooks rice, mother cooks vegetables, mother cooks meat, fish, etc., etc. But all these things are, we get all these things from plants. Rice we get from plant, then vegetables we get from plants, then pulses, seeds, fruits, all these things we get from plants. And what about meat and fish? See, meat and fish is not from plants. We directly or indirectly depends upon plants for our food. All the animals and non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things need food, water, and air. Non-living things do not need food. Okay, and next point, living things grow. Living things grow. All living things grow in size. A baby grows into an adult. Can you see the picture? As time goes on, the living things grows. And living things have a lifespan. നമ്മൾ ചെറിയ കുട്ടിയാവും, കുറച്ച് വളരും, വളർന്ന് വലിയൊരാളാവും, പിന്നെ കുറച്ച് കഴിയുമ്പോഴേക്കും നമുക്ക് തന്നെ വയസ്സായി നമ്മൾ മരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ we have a lifespan. നമുക്കൊരു ഇത്ര വർഷം നമ്മൾ ജീവിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Similarly, trees also. Seed grows into a big tree, and after some years that tree also will dead. Okay, so similarly, a pup grows into a dog, a chick grows into a hen. Okay, so all living things grow, but non-living things do not grow. A bed or a computer will not grow in size. They will remain the same. Okay, non-living things do not grow. For example, our bed. See, if we keep a bed for 10 years, it remains a single bed. It will not duplicate. Or a computer, we buy one computer, and after some years, that computer will not duplicate, or computer will not grow in size. Okay, why? Because all these things are non-living things. All these things are non-living things. Non-living things do not grow. Understand? So what are things we discussed in this class? First point, living things move. Living things move. Non-living things do not move, or non-living things cannot move. Second one, living things need food, water and air to live, but air, water and food to stay alive, but non-living things do not need food. Okay, all living things, all animals and all animals directly or indirectly depends upon plants for food. Only plants can make food of their own. See, we cook food in the kitchen, but all the ingredients we get from plants. Okay, all the spices, all the seeds, all the grains, all the fruits, all the vegetables, all these things we get from were from plant. So plants can only make food of their own. Okay, all other animals, all other living things depends upon plants for food. Okay, then living things grow. Living things grow in size, but non-living things do not grow. Clear, children? So what you have to do is you have to read the text 3 times. Read the text 3 times, and I also attach some new words. You just copy it down neatly to your notebook. Okay, children? Thank you so much. Bye.